bouncy here. Have you sometimes felt afraid while trying out new things or something that you don't know? Let us see how this little bird copes with fear during her first flying lesson. Mama bird is very excited today. Little Nellie is going to have her first flying session today. Uh-oh, looks like Nellie is not too excited though. In fact, she looks terrified. Can you try and guess why the chick looks scared?
Come on, Nellie. Just flap your wings and the rest is easy.
No, Mama. I am scared. What if I fall? Mama bird tried her best to tell Nellie that she couldn't possibly fall. Even if she did, it was part of the learning process. But the little chick was too scared to listen. So, Mama decided to show Nellie something.
Nellie, do you know that it is perfectly normal to be scared?
Really? Does everyone else get scared too?
Yes, my dear. Everyone gets scared now and then. Look down and you will see.
I won't go into the field. There is a monster there.
Don't be silly. There's no monster. Now go eat some grain.
I will not go.
Okay, show me this monster. Let me see too.
There it is.
Oh, little Mickey, that is just a scarecrow. It is kept there to keep the birds away. Now run along.
You see, Nellie, the little fellow was afraid of a scarecrow because he didn't know what it was. Let me show you something else now.
I'm going to let go now. You can cycle on your own. No, don't. I can't. I'm scared. I will fall. No, you won't. Trust me. I will catch you before you fall. No, no, no. I promise I won't let you fall. Just try and you will see that you can do it.
Did you see that? Little child was scared of cycling on her own, but she was brave and cycled on her own. Now, look at that duckling in the pond.
On, put your feet into the water and move. Swimming is easy.
But I will drown. I don't know how to swim.
No, my child, you are a duck. You can't drown. I will be right next to you, and if anything happens, I will save you. Okay?
Okay, Mama. I love the water.
Did you see, Nellie? Everyone is scared of something or the other. The important thing is to be brave and fight that fear. Now, are you ready to try flying?
Yes, Mama. And so, little Nellie bravely spread her wings, flapped them as fast as she could, and flew. Isn't that amazing? As Mama Bird said, everyone gets frightened sometime or the other. What is important is to overcome that fear. Do you ever get scared? What are you afraid of? What do you do when you get scared? Let me give you examples of some things children are usually scared of. Sometimes children think there is a monster under the bed at night. If there really was a monster, what would you do if you were scared like this? You could call your mother or father into the room and ask them to check under the bed. Once you know for sure that there is nothing there, you can sleep in peace. You could also keep a night lamp on if you are afraid of the dark. This little boy is afraid to slide down. He thinks he will fall off and get hurt. What can you tell him? Sometimes you may have to try out new things. If you give in to the fear, then you may never try anything new. If you do get hurt, then you will know how to do it correctly the next time. So remember, it is okay to be afraid. Everyone gets scared sometimes. The important thing is to overcome your fear and forge ahead.